before we had just a cheap vinyl siding. We had this hailstorm back in September, and it just demolished the cheap vinyl siding that we had on. And I never really liked the look of the vinyl siding because it just looked cheap. Energy Guard worked for us to get, things that the adjusters had missed or things that they'd overlooked, for Goodland city codes. And, that really helped me out because, I have no idea about any of that stuff. So it was nice to have somebody on my side to be able to go to bat for me. They just got in Stucco in my business, doing the outside of it and also doing the roof. Awesome. Really good crew. I love the look of it now. I mean, it just looks so much more professional, and it's something that I'm actually proud of. Now with the Stucco, it looks like an actual business. I mean, we got it modern looking, and it's going to be a lot better, hold up a lot better too.